How to edit sent iMessages on iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. Once you're here, navigate to the conversation where you want to edit a message. First, type in and send a message that you later want to modify. After sending, locate the message bubble you wish to change. Now, long press on the message bubble until a context menu appears on the screen. From this menu, tap on the Edit option to proceed. The message will become editable, allowing you to correct typos or change the text entirely. After making your desired changes, tap the checkmark to save the edit. The message will now be updated in the chat, with a small edited label underneath it, indicating that it has been modified. Following these steps, you can easily edit a sent message on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.